Good morning, everybody. This is Theo with Fresh Trading. We're back at it. Um, Today, it's a good day. It's a good day. I got FinViz, which means I got a new scanner. It took me like 12 to 15. I do about 30 minutes of pre-market analysis. It took me 12 to 15 minutes to figure out why it wasn't, picking up all the stocks that I wanted it to pick up. And then I figured it out, and so now we in it, and it's gonna be good. I really like it. I think it was worth the purchase, in my opinion. Um, but yeah, we'll see. So I'm looking at a couple stocks. It was mainly a couple good longs, I think. Um, and there were a lot more as well. But we'll see. We'll see. SBSW. Honestly, I'm thinking about taking it above 13. Let's see. It's not bad. Pulled back into support on the 5 minute. Okay, up and there it goes. That's all right. It's only a 7 cent stop, so that would have been interesting to say the least. Hmm. I really like YUMC. I hope we can get an entry. Look at this. All this room to move down. Let's see if we can get under the pre-market lows. That'd be great. Okay, nice rejection wick. All my shorts just kind of pulled up. BP is looking pretty good. Hmm. That's another small stop, about 10 cents. Oops. Just trying to focus on quality buy setups. You know what I mean? So we'll see. CCL's looking good. 1830, 18. I like it. I'll probably take CCL above 1830. All right. 30-cent target. 1860. Come on, break the highs. Get up there. Hmm. Okay, now check this out. If it breaks the highs and pulls back too much, I might be out because I probably should have been above 1820 with a stop at 18 and target at 1840. So we'll see. Yeah, NCLH was a monster. Okay, okay, come on. I really like YUMC, but really no good setup except for under the lows, and I just gotta wait for that good setup. We'll see. Okay, I don't like what CCL is doing. I might stop it under 1815, to be honest. Yeah, there really be no point under 1815. BP, stop at 2090. Still like a 10-cent entry and stop. Yeah, new stop on Carnival is 1815. Okay. Yeah, there was no point in holding that as it just, pulled down like that. Look, look. Now it might pull up and reverse and go higher, but I highly doubt it. Hmm, I don't see much of anything. Okay, I like YUMC under the lows. 5360. It's about a 40-cent stop. Hmm. If it will go there, it might not. Come on now. Let me get a trade. Nah, it's alright. It still looks good. Went up to test 54 again, which means there's some good support. I mean resistance, I'm sorry. It's almost more of a 35 cent target, so it'd be 53.30, which would be our target. Here it comes. Wow. 53.58. Not a bad fill. Not a terrible fill. Could be worse. Alright, don't come and tag us instantly. Don't do that. It's that spread. Oh, WFC had a nice potential for a long. CRWD, I like it under 126. We can go on with half. Stop at 127.50. Here we go. Short market disabled due to SSR. SSR on CRWD? That's weird because it's not down more than... It's okay. Well, there's that. Ah, I should have just looked here. That's alright. So I should have looked here, then I should have put in a limit order for 25 shares. Okay. Going back to YUMC. Hmm. Come on, I really need you to come down. Okay. We're out of that one. It's been a rough week this week, right? Like, man, I don't know what to say. We just we do what we can do. We preserve our capital and we continue. There's a nice little setup above 25. Hmm. But I took a half unit loss and then about a full unit loss. So that's me done for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and call it. Um, it is what it is. 126, 125. CRWD's moved a point in our favor, which is nice, and it's almost at target. If only I would have known that SSR is there, I would have pressed my hotkey to get in, and it probably would have let me in. That's all right though. CCL, let's see. Hmm. CCL wasn't bad. It just, didn't have that follow through, I guess. This is NCLH. Literally mirrors CCL, except this one actually went to target. About an 820 entry, 18 stop, 1850, whatever. Or if I got 1830, nah, 1830 is too high. So maybe I should have taken NCLH. Who knows? But it is what it is. YUMC is coming back down. I wonder if it'll do what we want it to do, but I'm not gonna go and risk money on a setup that, look, that's just a mediocre setup. This setup was nice under the lows. That's mediocre, so I'm not gonna hop back in, especially because I've taken a unit and a half loss. We don't really want to be acting on emotions. So look at CRWD. That's so weird. The SSR, because it's not down more than 10%. That's what the SSR rule is. You can't short a stock into the strength of the short if it's down more than 10%. But I don't know what's going on. I guess my setups are decent. Like YUMC, bread and butter. CCL, that was actually a pretty decent setup. Solid reversal, but it just didn't reach where we needed it to go. Even if we got in above 1820, we needed it to break the highs. The sad thing is that I lost $75, so I'll be only up about 1770. Um, That'll put me down about $230 from where I started, which is not terrible. And part of that is because of, watch this, look at YUMC. Part of that is because of the $160 pulled from my account for the platform fees. So I just need to start trading better, to be honest. Um, but yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video. Hopefully we can start getting some green momentum and some green days. Uh, so we'll see what we can do. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next video. See y'all later. Oh, hello? Hello? So I just wanted to show you guys what happened. So I come back later today. I'm doing a double today. And I see that I was tagged by a penny. Look at this. Maybe a cent or two, a penny or two, but it looks like it's probably just a penny. And then it continues to go lower the whole day after breaking this pre-market low. These are the nicest plays, the breaking of the pre-market lows or the breaking of the pre-market highs. CCO, just to give an update, never broke the pre-market high. Still, it's having trouble coming back up to break that. Uh, I'm thinking maybe I should just be a lot more disciplined and not trade a stock until it breaks its pre-market high, because that's how I know there's going to be a continuation of the trend. Um, so we'll see. We're going to keep trading. I know even though the pattern on CCL looked great, there's still no denying how great this pattern looked. It didn't work out. Didn't end up breaking the pre-market highs. Even in CLH, the pattern looked great and it worked. Tapped the pre-market highs, but there was no, look, you can see, broke pre-market high for a little bit, then got rejected, and it's been around that area all day. But yeah, anyway, look how much this is up though. Of course it's gonna, pull back a little bit. And we take a look at CCL, same deal. I mean, they look exactly the same. YUMCA. But you look at YUMCA, you can see that it's just kind of, there's no, I wouldn't say it's a parabolic move, but there's no large move to the downside. Even if you look on the 15-minute, there's more consolidation and a break, not really a, if you have experience with trading, you'll understand what I'm saying. Essentially, this is different. Consolidation, break, And then you have things like CCL, which already made their move. This is a move right here within the pre-market. You take this long right here, you get out right here, pull back down here. Um, so honestly, when I'm trading, if I do things like this, I'm getting in on a move that already happened. So of course it's going to pull back, and of course, even though it's coming back up to form a nice pattern, it might not continue because of this pre-market pattern. Um, so stuff like that happens. There was another trade. I don't know if it was CRWD. Well, I mean, CRWD did break its pre-market low, ended up trending down. This is the stock that I tried to get into today, but I couldn't. Uh, let's see. There was another one. Should OSTK also came down. Now this is the 15 minute. It's a beautiful pattern on the 15 minute, but let's go to the 5. Still beautiful. Broke its pre-market low for a second, came back up, consolidated, and then continued. That's definitely like a 1 to 2, maybe even a 1 to 3. So the plays that I definitely should be looking for are the pre-market lows and the pre-market high breaks. We've already discussed this. I guess I just lack discipline because, I want, to take a trade and make some money, but I'm going to have to, pull back and understand that if I'm going to make money, this is how to make money, not just taking any trade. And also my scanning has to be a lot better to find these. So things that we're going to work on and pay attention to. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.